Welcome back, everyone. I once again find myself deep in the underground. Still the only YouTube channel filmed in my basement. Today, we're gonna say what's been said 1,000 times. I know Rob Renzetti said it, Tony said it, Tom Lipton said it, Blondie said it. I'm sure Joe Pye said it. I just haven't made it through all of his videos yet. I'm working on it. The weakest link in your hobby lathe is the compound slide right here. The best thing you can do about it is get rid of it. Like this. So admittedly, I had a lot of trouble keeping this balanced in my lathe. I got it centered within about 2 thou on each side because I was just planning on facing it off. Admittedly not perfect, but for what I was doing it seemed fine. My lathe really struggled to whip this around. And drilling went fine, but facing it was a little tough. After I got the faces parallel and the height to the right dimension, I really didn't have to turn it anymore anyway.
Is this what the video's about?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is what the video is about?